guys, today we're going to be doing the 7-piece clip and hair extensions by Showpony. So let's have a look. So today we got the Light Bronde Highlight. It's very soft, very beautiful, the colours go well together and it's perfect for install. There are 7 pieces in the set and every piece is named by how many clips they have on each piece. This one, by instance, would be called a 3 clip. There is 2 1s, 2 2 clips and 2 3s, and then there's 1 4 as well. We start by sectioning the front of our head into 2 pieces. Next you take your fingers, put it at the top of your ear and run a line across the back of your scalp to create a straight line. Next we start to back comb, just so there's something for the clips to stick into. Right now we're working with 3 clips. Open them up and pull it back to the back. You're going to start with your right side, put it into the back combing. We're going to be making another section, and this one is just taking your fingers just above your temple and running it all the way along the back of your head. And in this one we are going to be putting our 4 clip piece in. So we're just repeating the process. We're doing a 3, a 4, and then also another 3 up the top there. So now that we've got our 3 pieces at the back, we're just going to release our top section that we made earlier. On the side we have the 1 clip and then the 2 clip up there, and we've got the same for the other side as well. I'm going to style my hair into a beachy wave, and to do this we're going to be turning our tongue towards the mirror. For the next section we're going to be turning our tongue towards the back, so opposite from the mirror. And then just straightening the ends.